Look at this phantom wallet. That's $1.67 million sitting there from meme coin flips. And no, it wasn't luck. I did this by launching meme coins, not chasing them. Stick around because I'll show you exactly how I pulled this off step by step. I used to spend hours chasing coins every day, hoping to catch a pump before it dumped. But every single time, rug pull, sniper, or just plain bad timing. That's when it clicked. The real money isn't in trading. It's in launching them. When you launch a meme coin, you're the one setting the rules. You create the coin, and you're the first ever buyer, and you're the one exiting whenever you want. It's not gambling, it's a strategy. Launching is easier than ever. If you can tap a name, click a few buttons, you are in the game. So if you're tired of losing money by buying other people's coins and just getting dumped on, it's time to start making your own and become the one who does it. So today, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to launch your very first Solana meme coin on the blockchain and print generational wealth. But by the way, this video is made for educational and entertainment purposes only, so don't copy me. Pump.Fun is chaos. Coins get dropped every few seconds and 99% of them never get seen. It's a lottery when your project has to graduate before it's even tradable. But with create token.Fun, your token skips all of that. You launch a coin and it goes straight to Radium, fully tradable the second you hit confirm. No waiting, no weird bonding curve, and way more visibility. That speed makes a huge difference. Early buyers jump in, the chart moves fucking fast, and your project gets traction instantly. This platform is made for people who want control and results, not delays and wasted time. Now, there are two ways to create a meme coin on create token.Fun, and both can print you serious gains. The first method, you build it from scratch. Start by coming up with a viral concept. So, something on Twitter or a meme based on current news or politics. Then, come back to the site and name your token. Choose a symbol. For example, Amazon's symbol is AMZN, and upload your image. After that, just hit next and you're set. But the second method, that's where things get really juicy. Head to the copy trending coins tab right here, and it's filled with coins that already popped off on Pump.Fun. But now, they're ready to be relaunched on Radium. These aren't random picks. They've been filtered and proven to attract buyers. You click once and boom, your copy of that coin is live, backed by hype that already exists. And since it is on Radium, buyers will show up instantly. This is by far the fastest path to volume and profits. But anyways, I'm gonna stop yapping and let's head straight to making some money. So I'm gonna refresh this right here. And then I'm gonna connect my wallet, which is completely free obviously. And yeah, which coin catches my attention? Okay, the Oxylabs coin right here just caught my attention. It has a last buy 3 seconds ago and a $45,000 market cap, so I think it looks good. I'm gonna copy the coin right here, so click on create coin. Your phantom should pop up, and yes, you will get a warning. It's completely normal. Okay, just proceed anyway. Confirm, I understand, confirm, and then the coin should be copied on the blockchain. Just be patient. And boom, and if I go on SoScan, right, you can see that it's on chain, all live. Now, come back here and let's head over to creating the liquidity pool. And here it is, pretty simple. Basically, we're gonna create the liquidity pool for our meme coin. Now, the coin right here should be auto-selected alongside your balance. Amount token A, right under here, you have to click on 90%. That is going to put 900 million tokens into the pool. I would highly recommend that. And for the amount token B, this is the first initial buy inside your own coin, which will be you. You will be the first buyer inside your own coin. I would highly recommend to put 0.4 SOL, but obviously you can put whatever you want. 0.3, 1 SOL, that's on you. The minimum is 0.3. And yes, you will get this money back after you remove the liquidity. It is completely safe, okay? And then click on create pool. Your phantom wallet should pop up right here. And yeah, click on confirm. And then click on refresh. Boom, it popped up. As you guys can see, we're up $5. And then click on refresh to check your profits. Okay, as you guys can see, we're up $134 in profit within like 5 seconds. Now click on view on Photon to check the chart. And okay, just wait a few seconds. Okay, as you guys can see, the chart is now moving a lot. Okay, we have a bunch of transactions coming in by the second. Like, it's actually fucking insane. Let me go on full screen real quick for you guys. Now we're at a $1.5 thousand market cap, which is not bad. I mean, the most important part is the liquidity to look at, the volume, and the transactions. Now, okay, buyers are coming in at the moment. Let's fucking go. $14, $31. Now, literally, all you have to do, okay, is just wait, sit back, and watch the profits roll in. It's that simple. Oh my god, it's pumping. Let's go. Okay, guys, I'm gonna give this coin around 10 to 20 minutes. I'm gonna be right back. I will do a quick time lapse. Okay guys, I'm back. We're at a $10,000 market cap within like around 3 to 4 minutes. Now the whole point of today's video is to make money, right? So first of all, come back to createtokens.Fun and then simply click on refresh to check our profits. Okay, we're up $1.8 thousand on this coin with a $17,000 market cap. It just shot up, so maybe we're up a bit more. That's fucking insane. Now, to take out some profits, click on the minus button, and here you can choose the percentage of the liquidity that you want to remove out of the coin. If you do 100%, you're gonna receive 1.8 thousand. If you do 50%, that's gonna be half of it. So I'm personally gonna do like 100% and then remove liquidity. Your phantom should pop up right here. And as you guys can see, we're going to receive around 10.3 SO in our wallet. And then click on confirm real quick. And boom, just like that, we just removed 100% of the liquidity. I don't know why it's there still, but yeah. If I open my phantom wallet real quick, yes sir, 10.7 SO is in my wallet, which is around $1.7 thousand. Let's fucking go. Now, before you click off to go launch your coin, if you want to win 2 Solana like this guy right here, make sure to like, comment your Solana address, and subscribe. And please join my Telegram down below, and yeah, bye.